The OHS Leaders Summit is very good at getting the people who can make a difference together in the same room, making sure that those who are involved are definitely the ones, especially for us, that we can work with and align with and understand the difficulties that we have in the OHS side of business.
There's really no event like the OHS Leaders event. It doesn't really compare to a lot of the other events. It's on a league of its own.
The arrangement that is between the suppliers and the peer groups is a lovely mix between the two groups, and I think for anyone that would like to come, I think definitely put your hand up, put yourself forward. You will get something out of it. There is great return on investment.
You've got international speakers from around Australia speaking about contemporary and innovative topics.
The calibre of the people that are here, the logistics of how it's all pulled together, the technology that facilitates where we are, what we're doing, how we do it.
My favourite aspect of the event is around the opportunity to meet peers across lots of different industries.
Here I get the opportunity to pick who I want to talk to. Our time's limited and I know their time is as well. We can give it to them, they can give it to us, and then we can make some informed decisions about what we might do going forward.
The best aspect of the one-to-one meeting with the suppliers is really around having a longer conversation around the needs of what I need now, or what I need in the future, and what others are needing as well.
The conversations that you have are actually meaningful, and they're the kind of conversations that lead to good outcomes for your business.
You have the ability to meet with more than one vendor in a particular space, and that doesn't really happen in the real world because you don't really get the chance to meet everyone in the same place.
The networking dinner, it's just such a high quality, well-run event that really I would never miss each and every year.
Yeah, 100%. I'll be coming back next year because I know that we've got a lot of value out of this summit, and we're only just starting day 2 now, but it's already been a major success for us.
The Focus Network team are fantastic. They help facilitate the meetings. They will also work really hard throughout the event to make the event fantastic for everyone.
Focus Network team on site. Always enjoyed working with Ty and Blake, and always very professional.
Don't just come to part of it, come to the full event, stay the night, attend the dinner, make sure you're in the sessions, have a look at who the suppliers are that are attending, and make sure you schedule in with them, don't miss out.
Yeah, this is my first event, but I found it very worthwhile and I'd love to come again.
If you want to engage in the leaders of safety, you should be here.
My partners and I have already spoken. This is locked in for next year's calendar, no question.
I would probably say to my peers, if they're looking at this event, they should 100% invest. It's a great event.
I would love to come back next year. I have it as my #1 networking event in my calendar, and I really look forward to it.